Did you know that a simple coconut like this can transform your life and change your destiny? For centuries, people have used coconut breaking as ritual to remove negativity and invite abundance. I'll show you how this simple art can transform your life. Let me tell you a story of how I actually learned this beautiful ritual of breaking coconuts. I was in a very secluded area. It was a road, but the road is less traveled by motorists, but people do ply that road. And I saw an elderly man standing at the middle of the road. I felt something was wrong with the old man, so I was trying to see what I could do to help. But when I now realized, I got closer to the old man, I realized the old man was holding something in his hand. And on closer inspection, I realized he was holding coconut. He was holding the coconut and his eyes were closed. I saw his mouth moved. He was muttering something, he was saying something. The mouth was moving. And all of a sudden, I just hear, I had the crack of the coconut. And immediately this happened, I looked into the face of the old man and I saw him smile. The man was happy. And I was confused. I stood there. I was thinking, what exactly happened? I walked close to the man, to the elderly man, and I asked him what happened. And he told me what he has just done is something that he does on a regular basis. That whenever he felt stuck, when things are not working well, or he just felt that something is bothering him, or he has a lot of burdens in his mind, he goes out to do this ritual. And like, I asked him a series of questions, so he explained everything about coconut breaking to me. Thereafter, I went out and do my own research, and that's exactly what I'll be sharing with you in this video. Coconut is not just a food, it's a spiritual item that has this hard outer shell that represents your struggles, your obstacles, your difficulty, and all your problems. Breaking the coconut is a way of saying, I release all the hardness in my life, all the problems, all the obstacles in my life, and I invite and attract freedom and abundance. But the question to ask is, why is this simple art of coconut breaking so powerful? Number one, it is symbolic. Every time you break coconut, you are symbolizing breaking through difficulty, through hard times, through problems, through negativity. Number two, psychological. The art of smashing things helps your mind release what has been holding you back or disturbing you emotionally. Number three, it is spiritual. Ancient traditions all over the world recognize that natural elements like coconut carry energy. Break it with intention. Set your energy and also align yourself with abundance. And let's be honest with ourselves. We all carry burdens, stress, jealousy, setbacks, financial difficulties, and every form of negativity. Breaking a coconut becomes a ritual of letting go. Have you ever felt the weight of negativity? Then go to the comments and type coconut if you want to release that negative energy. So, how do you perform this ritual of coconut breaking? Here are the simple step-by-step guide on how to perform this ritual. Step 1. Find a fresh, matured coconut like this. Like this. Make sure it is fresh and matured. And you can see it is very hard. It is very hard. Then the second step is to set your intention. All you need to do is hold the coconut with your two hands. Hold the coconut with your two hands and give it all your intentions. You can close your eyes and give it all the intention, all the negative vibe that you have, you don't want. You say it into it. Then you invite abundance into your life. Then say to yourself, with this act, I release all negativity and invite abundance. Then, step 3, go ahead and break the coconut. But you have to do it safely and follow instruction. You have to break it once. Make sure you smash it and it breaks once. It shatters once. You can break it on a stone or rock. You can break it on a tarred road. You can look for a clean place with concrete and break it. Make sure you break it. That is the most important. Because the first set is get a good coconut. Second one is to make your intention. Then the third one is to break it. Smash it. Use force to smash it. And if you want to smash it, use this side. Just smash it and it shatters. Once it shatters, then it signifies you are free of all obstacles. Because the hard shell of coconut represents the obstacles, the negativity, the troubles, the travels that you are going through. And once you break it, you are setting yourself free and you are inviting abundance to yourself. And fourthly, have the belief that you are free. You are free of negativity, you are free of obstacles, and you have abundance. And here is the beauty. Every time you break a coconut with intention, create a mental and spiritual reset. Suddenly, you feel lighter and you feel aligned. The more you practice this ritual of coconut breaking, the more you notice less negativity and the more you attract abundance. Abundance will flow towards you. At this junction, go to the comment and let us know if you are going to try this ritual of coconut breaking or that you have tried it before. Whether it works or not, let us know in the comments so that others can also learn from you. Next time you see coconut, don't just think of it as food. Think of it more as a spiritual item. Break it with intention and open yourself to abundance. If you want to know another simple way to attract abundance to yourself, then watch this video here. Until I see you in my next video, remain blessed.